Yo, hello everyone. Are you experiencing sluggish browsing with Internet Explorer? Don't worry. In this video, we will show you how you can do some simple techniques to speed up your Internet Explorer. From clearing up your temporary files to disabling add-ons, you will learn how to improve the performance of your browser. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So here I am guys on Internet Explorer. Now basically this browser has been changed to be known as Microsoft Edge. As you can see here, you will find it still on your computer. It will be always available. So if I search, here it is, Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge. If I opened it, they will take you directly to a page where they are telling you about Microsoft, like they have made a new browser which called Microsoft Edge. So now we are still going to work with Internet Explorer and how to improve their performance. The first thing to know is actually Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer is one or the best or the most, I mean, not the best. This is the most browser that consumes RAM. If I went here, so how much does Internet or Microsoft Edge consume of memory? You will find here, let me just go to like a good website, for example, google.com, and search over here. As you can see, Edge will be consuming more even than Google Chrome. Of course, Firefox comes in the top of the list, but yeah, still, Edge will consume 476.56 megabytes per tab, which is insane, guys. So if I clicked here, for example, on this screen over here, so Task Manager, if you don't know how to open it, you can just click on this bar in the bottom, and then click on Task Manager. It is as simple as that. So simply, guys, here, if I went, you will notice that I have Google Chrome now running, as you can see. So Google Chrome is perfectly running in the background, and I am now downloading a file which is Resident Evil 4. Still, even though the file is actually downloading and I'm opening it, it will consume only 700 megabytes of the total. Microsoft Edge, on the other hand, I'm not using anything. Literally, it is closed. That's like the home page, and it is consuming 900, which is about 1 gigabyte of RAM. Let's try, for example, to add a new tab here, search for any random thing, and let's open, for example, Facebook, open the link, and here we go. How much will it be? It passes 900 to 1K200. So each tab you will be opening, it will add extra 300 megabytes to the total of RAM that it is consuming. So this is the first point that you have to get. If you don't have that much of RAM on your computer, your browser will not be performing that good. That's why most people are actually voting for Opera GX. That is the best browser at the moment because you can control how much RAM you can give it, and still it will be performing faster than Sonic. So as you may see here, if I went to performance, here I am opening Google Chrome, I am recording with OBS, Discord, and I'm having some applications turned on like Epic Games, Steam, and that's it. Like these are the main things that are opened, and I have 2.9.2 gigabytes is being consumed. So imagine that you are a gamer who's playing a game and having those applications opened. You will need at least 16 gigabytes of RAM on your PC in order for you to have the best performance possible. In case you could go for more, it will be more useful. Since I'm going for 32 gigabytes, I have never countered any kind of problem with browsing. I can open as many tabs as I can, and I will never face the problem because it will never consume 32 gigabytes unless I have opened like 100 tab, which is I will never do that. So basically going for a high amount of RAM will obviously make your browser much faster. The next point is make sure that your internet connection is good. If you don't have a good internet connection, the pages are not going to load that fast. If you write anything here, it will not load as you can see it here. It will never do that. It will take so long, it will start rotating here, and it might be frustrating. Even though you have RTX, the latest version, CPU, the latest version, RAM, the like 1 terabyte of RAM, if you have bad internet, your browser will always be slow. So this is a thing that to work on, is having a good internet connection. Make sure to upgrade your internet connection to something around 100 megabytes and make sure that it is 5G, 4G or your fiber optic is on. So ADSL is very bad guys. Make sure to go for fiber, which is the best thing at the moment for gamers. The next thing for you to do is go to settings and go to here. So click on this 3 points here, go to settings, and then from here you can go simply and search for your browsing data. So if you want to history, you can check it I think from here, history. So if you try to remove everything from history, that will actually help you do a lot of things. One of the things that will help you with is clearing the browsing data. Clearing the browsing data will remove the cookies that you have on your browser, any download history, any browsing history, and any cached images files. As you might see here, so this is only for the last hour. If you want to all time, it will go even more further and will make your browser reset as it is brand new. And that of course will make it more faster than it is usually is. So this is a thing to go for, but don't forget that will cost you the whole data that you have on your browser. And once you're done with that, make sure that your hardware acceleration is turned on. Hardware acceleration will automatically help boost your own browser. As you can see, I have turned it on because it will help me improve it. Even though my might be like Internet Explorer, it's not the latest update of Microsoft, it's not getting any new updated, but still it is working fine for me because I have hardware acceleration, which will boost the efficiency of this browser and makes it much faster. And here, give it startup boost, and everything will be fine for you. So these are the 5 steps that you have to go for. Have a good amount of RAM, have a good internet, clear the cache and your history and your cookies. If you have any add-ons, make sure to delete them. Turn on your hardware acceleration and turn on startup boost. So these are the things that you have to go for in case you'd like to have faster Internet Explorer performance in the future. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.